So I got a mix.
Hey guys.
Yeah, it's like, hey guys, you're saying to yourself. So in case you're not with us on the trip, we're going to New Orleans. We're actually here, going to the hotel to celebrate Marvin's amazingness. Marvin, say hello.
Hello. Hey.
It's not live.
What's up, YouTube?
Yeah, it's YouTube. Making whiskey gingers?
No, vodka shots.
Ew, vodka. I want tequila.
Huh?
Tequila.
Well, vodka first. Here, take one.
Nice.
Knowledge.
We in the Hilton. Sheraton, Hilton. Hurrah for you. This guy here. This is the Louisiana River, man. It's really the Mississippi?
Yeah, yeah.
Cafe du Monde. Good stuff. Benyays.
Hey guys.
Do it for the tube. Do it for the tube. Franklin Printing. I'm buying that place. Bet. Niggas out there bead haggling. I wonder if it's helpful me doing narration every time I turn a video on. What you know about that hand grenade? You guys like your hand grenades?
Yeah, alright. A little sweet, but it's cool.
Very sweet. Drawfish.
Real fun, real refreshing. Get that nice breeze going.
No thanks, man. I got jam on my hands.
Oh, I thought that was blood. Damn. Right?
You're like, actually, I don't want to give you a ride.
Yeah, get that violent.
Yeah, baby, just get ride. You know, I went to the Harrah's, and then I come into this club called the Masquerade. It's a club with escalators. This place is huge. But the Harrah's isn't huge so far. I haven't seen the whole thing yet. Cool though, right?
You went to this massage place?
No, I didn't go anywhere. I got my hair done.
Don't record that part.
Oh, we don't record that part. I got the whole squad in the background. We rolling. Heyo! Heyo! Bourbon Street. Not really at Bourbon Street. We're on Canal Street. It's not like Canal Street, New York. Yo! Yo, Migs excited for the fan boat.
Oh, super excited.
To hit the swamps. See that outside? Louisiana, fan boat time. Chris is sleeping. The rest of the squad here with us. See you later, Crocodile. We're ready to hit on the Intimidator. Yep. Ready to go. It's swamping season.
No, I was trying to get a cool one. They say I don't feel front camera. Well, we got to get inside this, obviously. All right, everybody have a headset? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You should know the boys from the girls. I doubt it, but you should know. And I hope like hell you know what they're doing, because I get that a lot too on my tours. Cat Murray, what you doing? And so I always taught just the people in the United States told their kids that came from a cabbage patch or a bird dropped them off. No, I learned this kind of work. People around the globe tell their kids the same damn story for some crazy reason. And I can tell a parent. That's stupid deal. I'm pretty comfortable and confident myself. Since I've been working with these guys so long, I'm pretty confident I could kill any gator in Louisiana, Florida, South Carolina with a stick in a bag of marshmallows. So why the hell I need a gun? Only TV people need guns because that's what we believe to say. It's amazing what people believe. People, I bet you 9 out of 10 people think if they fall out from a boat, the alligators eat them. Did you know and you went in their house, you had high risk because they don't have a brain to know without taste or anything. So if you wore white, you use primary, you use fish. Over 99% of people that got killed with crocs was also wearing something white. Why? Because fish is their primary.
Big one. Yeah. You just earned $2.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Can you send that?
Yo, we got them wonton soup containers.
Drinking beer from a wonton soup container.
That's what's up, right? But I got a half-ass beer. Yeah, man, I'm slacking. Yo, Marv, happy birthday, man. Thanks for coming out here to celebrate your birthday. Bourbon Street! What's good? Miguel earning beads right now. Chilling. What's up? Yeah, on that late night Christmas. Refreshing, isn't it? Miguel, bring me my sandwiches, dog. Don't forget we out here playing too. Yo, check that 3-point line though. We got next, right, Migs?
Negative.
Yo, we're about to get them historic beignets. Historic feelings.
So we're actually gonna be going to the original
Get the original beignets.
Cafe Du Monde.
I already had about 6 today.
I've had the other 3.
I had 4, you had 2. We had a lot of beignets. The
And
coffee's good.
our ride's here.
Yeah. So, next, that's it. The Cafe Du Monde is lit. Down on the street. Here you go. What do you get? That's the original. No, we cool, bro. I just want to get the aroma of this place. That's the wrong word for a video. It smells like all this garbage right here. It's the Washington Artillery Park.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us a little bit more about the history, Miguel?
Yes, I can. Right this way, fellas.
Okay, thank you.
All right, now we're facing the Mississippi River.
The Grand River. What can we see on our right?
The right is the home of the Jackson beer.
As you can see.
A train is coming. Let's videotape that.
This is a cool spot. Probably should have came here before, like, hours before leaving, right? My last video from New Orleans, checking out. Everyone else had to go to sleep. Vince drank a wet Red Bull. We passed out right after. Marvin and Chris had leftover chicken, so they just ate that and slept. Well, we are seeing the rest of New Orleans. It's a beautiful place. This river walk is so nice. Oh, but really the sugar on those benyays keep me up. It's totally
worth it.
Yeah, so New Orleans was cool. Hanging out with my boys was cool. I wonder if this is actually gonna make it on the internet.